Still using WhatsApp groups to share updates? There is a much smarter and cleaner way now. And if you want to grow an audience, share content professionally, or send updates without group spam, this feature can help you a lot. So in this video, I'll show you how to create your WhatsApp channel at the right way. I will also explain the important option most people ignore after creating it. So first, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now go to update section. You will see a small plus icon. Tap on it. Now WhatsApp will ask you for three things: channel name, profile photo, and a short description. Try to keep your channel name simple, clear, and easy to remember, because this helps people recognize your channel quickly. For the profile picture, use something clean and professional, especially if you want to grow your audience later. And in the description, clearly tell people what type of updates they will get from your channel. Once everything is ready, tap on create channel and done. Your WhatsApp channel is now live. But don't leave it yet, because this next part is very important. After creating the channel, tap on your channel name at the top. Here you will see some important options that can help you manage your channel better. The first option is invite admin. This feature allows you to add trusted people who can help manage your channel. For example, they can help post updates, manage activity, and support your content work. This is very useful if your channel grows bigger in the future. The next important option is channel link. This lets you share your channel anywhere: YouTube description, Instagram bio, Facebook, Telegram, and directly with friends. The more places you share it, the easier it's become to grow followers. And another important section is your channel settings and permissions. These settings help control notification, privacy, interaction experience, and overall channel management. Most people create a channel but never understand these options properly. This is why their channels stay inactive. And here's why WhatsApp channels are becoming so popular. Unlike groups, channels feel cleaner, more professional, less distracting, because followers only receive updates instead of random chats and unnecessary messages. That's mean better communication, organized updates, and a more professional audience experience. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe for more smart WhatsApp tips, settings, and mobile tutorials. And if you're facing any other WhatsApp or mobile problem, you can also comment below. Thanks for watching.